In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a PayPal prepaid card. Welcome everyone. If you're new to the convenient world of PayPal's prepaid services, or simply want a refresher on the process, you've come to just the right place. So let's dive right in and explore this straightforward journey of securing and using your very own PayPal prepaid card step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to paypalprepaid.com. Once you're there, it's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the welcoming website layout, which is designed to make everything as seamless as possible for you. Keep an eye out for the friendly Get Started button, which will be your entry point into the world of flexibility that PayPal Prepaid has to offer. Clicking Get Started will lead you to a simple request form. Here, it's time to provide some basic information. The process is designed to be quick and hassle-free, ensuring that you can get on your way without unnecessary delays. As you go through this form, make sure the information you provide is accurate and up to date, as this will form the basis for your card order. Once you've completed and reviewed your details, the next step is to click Order a Card. Now don't be surprised if you're prompted with an option regarding direct deposits. This is fantastic if you're considering using your PayPal prepaid card to receive payments or benefits directly. It's an option worth considering depending on your personal circumstances and financial goals. Then comes the exciting part, selecting your card design. This small customization touch allows you to pick a design that suits your style, making the card uniquely yours. You'll want to spend a moment exploring the available options and choose the one that speaks to you the most. With all these details sorted, it's time to submit your request. After submission, expect to receive your card within approximately 10 business days. The anticipation of receiving this powerful financial tool can be exciting, knowing it will soon be tangible in your hands. Once your card arrives, the first thing on your to-do list is activation. Head back online to activate your card, a crucial step to unlock its full potential. With your card activated, it's now time to add money to your account. This ensures you're ready to use it wherever a debit MasterCard is accepted. At this stage, your card is set up and fully loaded, empowering you to make payments conveniently and securely. Use it for shopping, paying bills, and other financial transactions. It's as versatile as you need it to be, and just like that, you're all set to explore the freedom and flexibility of your PayPal prepaid card. Thanks for joining us today, and enjoy your newfound financial convenience.